Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic English Story World.
Yesterday was a normal but busy day for me. I woke up early in the morning at around 6 o'clock. The weather was cool and fresh. I got out of bed and opened the window. I looked outside and saw the sun rising slowly in the sky. The birds were singing, and everything looked calm and peaceful. After that, I went to the bathroom and brushed my teeth. Then I washed my face with cold water, and it made me feel fresh and active. Next, I took a shower and got ready for the day. I wore my clean clothes and combed my hair. When I came to the kitchen, my mother had already prepared breakfast. The delicious smell of food filled the room. I sat at the table with my family and ate my breakfast. I had bread, eggs, and a cup of hot tea. We talked about our plans for the day while eating. After breakfast, I packed my school bag. I checked my books, notebooks, and pens carefully. Then I said goodbye to my parents and left for school at about 8 o'clock. The road to school was busy with students and vehicles. I met one of my friends on the way, and we walked together. We talked about our homework and laughed a lot. When we reached school, the bell rang. All the students went to their classrooms. Our teacher entered the class and greeted everyone. We all stood up and said, "Good morning, teacher." The teacher smiled and started the lesson. The first class was English. The teacher explained a new topic and asked some questions. I listened carefully and wrote notes in my notebook. After that, we had a mathematics class. We solved some problems on the board. At first, the questions looked difficult, but the teacher explained them clearly. After 2 classes, the break time started. All the students went outside. I sat with my friends and ate my lunch. My mother had packed rice and vegetables for me. After eating, we played in the playground. Some students played football, while others ran around and talked. Soon the bell rang again, and we returned to our classrooms. We had 2 more classes before the school day ended. The last class was science, and the teacher showed us some interesting pictures and experiments. Finally, the school finished at 2 o'clock. I felt a little tired but happy. I walked back home with my friend again. On the way, we talked about our favorite subjects and our plans for the evening. When I reached home, my mother welcomed me. I washed my hands and changed my clothes. Then I ate some snacks and drank water. After that, I rested for a short time because I felt tired from the long day. In the evening, I started doing my homework. I opened my books and completed the assignments that the teachers gave us. It took about 1 hour to finish everything. After finishing my homework, I went outside to play with my neighborhood friends. We played cricket in the street. Everyone enjoyed the game, and we laughed a lot. The cool evening breeze made the weather pleasant. Later, I returned home before it became dark. I helped my mother with some small household work. I also organized my books and school bag for the next day. At night, my whole family sat together for dinner. We ate rice, vegetables, and chapati. During dinner, we talked about our day. My father told us some interesting stories from his work, and we all listened carefully. After dinner, I watched television for a short time. My favorite program came on TV, and I enjoyed watching it. But I did not watch it for too long because I needed to sleep early. Before going to bed, I brushed my teeth again and washed my face. Then I went to my room and lay down on my bed. I thought about my day and felt satisfied because I completed all my work. Finally, I turned off the light and closed my eyes. Soon, I fell asleep and rested peacefully after a long and productive day.